How to change age restrictions in Epic Games. So first, what you want to do is just open up your Epic Games launcher, and once you're there, just simply click on your profile on the top right, then click on account right here, and this will pop up a new browser. So it's right here, just wait for it to load. Once it's all loaded up, what you need to do is just go to parental controls right here at the bottom. And if you haven't set your pin yet, just simply create your pin. So I'm going to create my pin right here. And after you've created, just click on create pin. Once you're done, this will say you have successfully created a parental controls pin. Then what you need to do now is just scroll down, and as you can see, you could now change the age restrictions. So if it's set to 7 plus or 12 plus, you could set it up to unrated right here. And as you can see, it says the description here at the bottom. So if it's set to 3, you will need to enter a pin to get new games rated above 3 plus. And it's the same with all these ages. But if you set this right here, you could basically play all the games. And that's how you change age restrictions in Epic Games.